How to locate and fix the cable splitter inside the ceiling. This is the cable outlet and the ceiling. Measure 5 inches from the corner of the wall and ceiling, opposite the cable outlet below. Make a compass set with a stick and nail. Nail the pencil mark measuring 3 inches apart. And rub the nail on the left into the ceiling to create 6 inches circular line. If there is no electrical jigsaw, use a cutting blade and electrical plier to make holes in a gypsum board ceiling. Insert the cell phone into the hole and use the camera to see where the cable splitter is. If the old splitter is 2-way, it's better to replace it with 3-way, so that in case one does not work, there is another in reserve. Use a high-quality cable splitter. Avoid the cable ground touching or winding the cable live, because your TV screen will definitely be blurry. Bend the cable ground to connect to the cable connector, and not even one strand of cable ground will touch the cable live. plastic air ventilation covers 6 inches. And when the cable connection is fixed, cover the hole with a plastic air ventilation cover so that the ceiling still looks good and easy to open in case the cable splitter doesn't work. I hope you like my video and may it help all my followers. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time.